I am brushing my teeth. I need a shower. I am hungry. What's for breakfast? I start work at 9. Do you know the first things people say in English every morning? If you learn these simple morning sentences, you can start your day like native English speakers.
Yes, today we will show you how people really speak in the morning, in clean, simple English. Welcome to Daily English Listening Zone. This is episode 1 of our 30-day English Listening Challenge. For the next 30 days, we will learn one topic every day, one episode, one lesson, and one easy conversation to improve your English. So get ready. Let's start with the first topic, morning English.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. I feel fresh today. And you?
I slept okay, but I woke up a little early. Still, I feel good. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It wakes me up.
Nice. I open my window and breathe fresh air. It feels good on my face.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, always. A clean bed makes my room look good.
I agree. After that, I go to the bathroom.
To brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes take a quick shower.
Morning showers feel amazing. They give me energy.
Right. And after the shower, I comb my hair and wear fresh clothes. So, what do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit.
That's healthy. I drink coffee every morning. Coffee helps me wake up.
Yes, coffee is like morning power. I drink tea sometimes.
Tea is good too. Do you eat breakfast fast or slow?
Slow. I like to enjoy my breakfast.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m. And you?
I start studying at 8:30.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Sometimes, but I try not to use my phone too much in the morning.
Good idea. Morning time is the best time for learning English.
Do you say anything to yourself in the morning?
Yes. I say, today will be a good day. It makes me feel positive.
That's a great habit. I say, I am ready. I can do it.
Wow, that's powerful.
Morning sentences can change your whole day. REDEERSTPSICHY. I just woke up. I feel sleepy. I slept well. I need fresh air. Let me make my bed. I am brushing my teeth. I need a shower. I am hungry. What's for breakfast? I start work at 9. I feel fresh today. I am ready for the day. Today will be a good day. I can do it. Let's start the day. Okay, let's review. What do you do first in the morning? Great. Now, tell us, what do you eat for breakfast? Good job! You are learning fast. This was episode 1 of our 30-day English listening series. Episode 2 is coming tomorrow with a brand new topic. Don't miss it. See you tomorrow. Hello. We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.